Hi and hello to all. My name is Sai Harshith Reddy. I was learning data science in 360DigiTMG India. Today I was here to share my experience that regarding to site visit, which was happened a few days back. So I was very much thankful to 360DigiTMG and Mr. Bhagyanagar Copper for giving me this kind of opportunity. And we went for a site visit to Bhagyanagar Copper, which was located at near to Secunderabad. It's a copper manufacturing company, and the company is operated by Surana Group. From my site visit to Surana Group, I was observed three key things. One thing is collecting a lot of data from the machineries and from the sensors, and the another thing is it's a complex process. So copper is melted, and then the entire process is related to a lot of complex things. And the another thing is lot of data is entering manually. So from my observations, I have observed that where my data science is implementing in this industry. So the one thing is, so from collecting all of these kind of data, we can implement a lot of things. We can improve the workflow process, entire workflow process, to improve the production quality. And one thing is a predictive maintenance. So we can utilizing advanced predictive analytics, so to improve the to predict the failures happened in the machinery. So from furnace, from the starting level to from the find output process, until we can implement these kind of predictive analytics in any kind of a machinery. So by implementing real-time analytics, we can improve the quality control. So lot of things, lot of quality checks has been happening manually there. So by implementing these kind of advanced quality control equipment, so we can improve the production time and the quality control process. And we can improve the energy efficiency too by implementing these kind of advanced analytics. And by providing and by implementing video analytics also, we can improve the quality control. And suppose an employee is doing the wrong workflow process, we can identify and we can alert the higher authority in the initial process only. So I have observed this from starting point to end point. So the entire supply chain I have visited with my night eyes, with entire supply chain from the inventory level and from the find output level. So they are facing lot of real-time business problems. So I was already spoken with the real-time working employees there. So what situations they are facing and what's the real-time business problems. So as a data science enthusiast, as a data science learner, I always believe that we have to improve and we have to make their life easy by building simple solutions for the complex problems.